Hey, it's Diamond and welcome back. So I wanted to pop on here and just show you how I kind of freshen up my wig when I have it sewed down, because for me with red hair, I feel like it needs to always be vibrant. I'm not gonna color the whole wig while it's on my hair. I'm just gonna put in a few panels just to kind of give me back that punch of bright red, how it was before after I colored it. You know, because I'm just in love with this color right now. This color is just everything. And I'm going to use Joico semi-permanent. So this stuff fades out, but it's really good if you want to, you know, just freshen up your wigs or your hair, whatever you like to do. So let's get started. So that basically wraps it all up. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for me, you can always find me at diamahn.com, as well as my other links. Enjoy. See you later. Bye.